Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to export data from Wally. If you're handling data in Wally, a popular tool for managing and analyzing information, this tutorial is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick reminder, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Wally installed and open on your device. If you don't have it yet, head over to their official website and download it. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard loaded with datasets. The key to exporting is navigating to the right section. Step 1. Locate the data you want to export. Use the search bar or filters to find your specific file or dataset. Wally makes this easy with its intuitive interface. Just click on the dataset to select it. Pro tip: if you have multiple items, hold down the Control key, or Command on Mac, to select more than one. Next, head to the top menu and look for the Export button. It's usually under the File or Data tab. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll choose your export format. Options might include CSV, Excel, JSON, or even PDF, depending on what Wally supports. Pick the one that best fits your needs. For example, CSV is great for simple data transfers. Now, customize your export if needed. Wally often lets you select specific columns or apply filters before exporting, which helps keep your file clean and relevant. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Export or Download. You'll be prompted to choose a save location on your computer. Pick a folder that's easy to find later. And just like that, you're done. Your data should now be exported as a new file. If you run into any issues, like file errors, double-check your selections or ensure your software is up to date. Exporting data from Wally is a breeze once you know the ropes, and it can save you tons of time for backups, sharing, or analysis in other tools. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.